Hello everyone, welcome to the online learning platform for class 7 social science. Today we will revise chapter 4 of history, the Mughal Empire. Medieval period में Mughals were a powerful force जिन्होंने Indian subcontinent पर rule किया. After defeating Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526 CE, Babur established his empire which came to be known as the Mughal Empire. Let us now see about the rulers of Mughal Empire. Starting from Babur, he was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India and ruled from 1526 to 1530 CE. He died in 1530 CE and was succeeded by his son Humayun. So Humayun, he was the second Mughal ruler. He ruled from 1530 to 1540 CE and 1555 to 1556 CE. He died in 1556 CE by falling down the stairs of his library. इनके बाद जो next king बने, that was his son Akbar. Akbar became king at the age of 13 years in 1556 CE. इन्होंने अपनी टेरिटरी को बहुत एक्सपेंड किया and maintained good relations with Rajputs to get their support. Akbar was very liberal towards religion. He combined the best features of all religion in a grand synthesis known as Deen-e-Ilahi. इन्होंने एक prayer hall भी बनवाया फतेहपुर सीकरी में known as Ibadat Khana. He died in 1605 CE and was succeeded by his son Jahangir, who ruled from 1605 to 1627 CE. इनके ऊपर इनकी जो वाइफ थी नूरजहां, उनका बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस था. Now it was during Jahangir's reign that foreigners first came to India for trading purpose. He was succeeded by his son Shah Jahan in 1627 CE. Shah Jahan ruled from 1627 to 1658 CE. He had great interest in literature and art. His period is known as the golden period of Mughal architecture. इन्होंने बहुत सारे monuments and buildings का construction करवाया. He was imprisoned by his son Aurangzeb at the Agra fort in 1658 CE, where he died in 1666 CE. तो जो next ruler बने थे, that was the Aurangzeb. Now Aurangzeb was intolerant towards other religion. He is remembered as an orthodox and God-fearing emperor. Due to his simple living, people started calling him Zinda Peer, यानी कि living saint. He died in 1707 CE, which marked the end of great Mughals. Administration की बात करें तो emperor had absolute power. He was commander-in-chief of the army and chief justice also. अब बहुत सारे ऑफिशियल्स थे एंड नोबल्स थे जो किंग को हेल्प आउट करते थे एंड एम्पायर को भी डिवाइड किया गया था अंडर सेवरल यूनिट जिसके थ्रू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन प्रॉपरली मेंटेन हो सके. अकबर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अ यूनिक सिस्टम ऑफ रैंक्स नोन एज द मनसबदारी सिस्टम. तो आज हमने रिवाइज किया है चैप्टर 4 हिस्ट्री का, दैट इज द मुगल एम्पायर. In case of any doubt in any of the topic, please ask. Thank you for today and have a nice day.